How to fix Yubo app login error. So if you want to fix Yubo app login error, then what you need to do is make sure that you're connected to a VPN, or make sure to check if you have been connected to a VPN. If yes, then you need to go and disconnect it as soon as possible. Next step is check your Wi-Fi connection. Switch to your cellular data if your Wi-Fi is acting up, or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and then turn it back off. Next step is to open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Yubo app. Now if you have any updates under your Yubo app, then you just need simply go and update it. After updating, next you need to tap and press on to the Yubo app, go with the app info, and here you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've done that, you need to just go and restart your device and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.